Hi, I just wanted to touch base. We are in the midst of week two for Band 400 Intro to Business Analytics. So I just want to take a quick moment to touch base. So with our two block weeks as we are set up in this class, your main posting should have been posted on the 17th. And then this week you're working on your 5 additional postings that are due by Sunday at midnight. Also, your hands-on exercise is due as well. Now, there were a couple questions about a particular library that some of you were having a hard time locating. So I have actually went in and put the library in a different spot within SAS Studio. So that should eliminate the issue some of you are having with the library. If you're still having issue with the library, please let me know sooner than later so we can get that addressed before the assignments are due on Sunday. That is the only thing that I have for weeks 1 and 2. I do want to say for those of you that want to work ahead a little bit, weeks 3 and 4 are also open, but I just wanted to jump on really quick and touch base with you. Also, all of you have found your way to the discussion board as well. But if you have any questions on SAS or if there's things that are not working for you, please reach out to me as well so I can help. So we do have the chapters up here along with a couple other PDFs. So with that, I'll go ahead and let you keep working on the assignment for weeks 1 and 2. But like I said, I want to jump on and let you know about that library that I moved as well. So if you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email. You're also welcome to call me, or if you need to get a hold of me, you're welcome to text me as well. And all that information is in my information where you go to My Professor. I'll hop over here and show you quick. You have my my phone number is here as well as my email. So with that, have a great week, and I will see you back next week.